Hey everybody, it's Mindy.
Kevin again.
And we are taste testing some new items we found. Well, we found them at Rulers or somewhere. We got the late night Dorito chips. And the Smart Food Doritos Nacho.
Popcorn.
So it's popcorn and Smart Food, but it's Doritos. So we're going to taste test these. I've heard this tastes like tacos.
And I really haven't heard anything about this.
It says loaded tacos, so let's see what it tastes like. It smells like a taco. It almost smells like Taco Bell in a freaking...
bag.
In a bag. This is what it kind of looks like. It's not spicy. It's not supposed
that we know of.
That we know of. It's not spicy, but it's supposed to be like a new taco flavored Doritos. I think there was a Doritos that was made tacos.
I think so. A while back.
Mm-hmm. Not bad. It definitely tastes like a taco.
Definitely tastes like a hard shell taco from Taco Bell.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely got the tacos. It's like it's got this taco seasoning on it for and Doritos. But it's literally like, it looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
And it tastes like an actual taco. That's pretty good. Taste test these popcorn.
I think my nose is broken.
Smells like Doritos. Almost smells like a Cheeto. Almost like a cheddar popcorn. That's what it looks like. Smells like.
Pretty much what they look like. Popcorn with
cheese.
Dorito dust.
Cheese.
Nacho cheese Dorito.
Kind of reminds me of this cheesy popcorn.
Kind of does.
It's like a cheesy popcorn.
Or my taste buds are broken then today.
It tastes like, to me it tastes like a Cheeto, like just a cheddar popcorn. That's good.
Not bad.
If you like popcorn and like cheddar, go for it. It's Doritos.
Yeah. Not too bad. Well, which one do you think tastes it?
I don't know. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna just try one and see which one tastes better.
I don't know. I just hope my taste buds ain't broken.
I think a Cheeto popcorn beats it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This just tastes like a taco. You definitely taste taco seasoning on this one. But they're not bad.
No.
Doritos made a different kind of thing. Made a popcorn and a different kind of bag for taco. I think the one that beat it was this.
That's her opinion. I can't really. I don't know.
We'll try one and try to see. See which one you like.
I think they both taste pretty dang good. But if you're a popcorn lover and kind of watching what you eat, I'd say just go with that.
Doritos do better.
And if you're a Dorito tubby guy like me, the tacos.
So they're about equal, but
I think this one would be more healthier to eat.
Yeah, popcorn bar.
It's only 70 calories a cup.
Yep, and
Depends on the cup size. If you go this big
popcorn and vegetable.
That big. It's up to you.
I'd say they're both good. I think this one beat it.
Yeah.
And this is what we got for the night. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.